We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
80-year-old Yun Qingbo has lived in a small Hakka village in Suili all his life, and all his life he has grown fruit. The film The Orchard, Jiali, records Yun's reactions when his orchard is set to be turned into a betel nut farm. Yun is devastated and determines to show that it is not a good thing. He doesn't want all his years of experience of fruit husbandry to go to waste and believes his skills should be passed to the next generation. An extraordinary ordinary man, Yun married an Indonesian Hakka woman at the age of 60 to be his companion in old age. While she runs his little shop, he continues to cultivate fruit and worry about what will happen when the fruit trees are pulled up. The film follows the couple through what seems on the surface an idyllic lifestyle. It is time for a Hakka lesson of the day on ICRT. Ngai hei Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Again, we want to teach people things that are practical, phrases that you can use in case of an emergency in this case, because when you're outside traveling or maybe you're just driving around or walking around, all of a sudden you have the urge to go to the bathroom and you have to find some place to use their bathroom.
Okay.
我们怎么说？
跳家。
跳家 Oh, that's boss.
做得老你加一下偏瘦么？
哦，胸劲啊，慢慢来。
做得。
做得。
老你。
老你是什么意思？
可以跟你。
哦，可以哦，可以让我那样子。OK， 可以跟你。
加一下。
加一下 That means borrow. Okay, so the whole thing means can I borrow?
偏瘦么？
偏瘦么 Your bathroom. 偏瘦么 Oh, so 偏瘦 is bathroom. 就跟台语比较像哈，偏瘦嘛哈。
错。
偏瘦勿手手。
偏瘦勿手手，黑妈妈的。
对，那这样不好。
天赋啊！
要记得一定要开灯，要不然把人家的厕所弄脏了不好。
哎呦
Pencil, that's bathroom. And maybe, the boss will say yes or no.
做得。
做得 that's 可以 yes. No 的话怎么办？
做唔得。
这种人最讨厌，不要当这种人哦，做唔得。So let's review that sentence one more time.
跳家。
跳家。
做得。
做得。
老你加一下。
老你加一下。
偏瘦么？
偏瘦么？
做得。
做得。
I say 数哦。
I say 数。哦，你说要洗手对不对？因为数上次有教过就是手啊，真的我会记得。You have to remember to wash your hands after you're done with the bathroom, okay? There you have it. That's a Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么大家？
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.